Powerline Network Adapters extend wired internet through home electrical wiring, providing stable, high-speed connections where Wi-Fi is weak. My today's video is about top 5 best Powerline network adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at TP-Link Network Adapter. The TP-Link HomePlug AV2 Powerline adapter is an essential solution for extending wired Ethernet connections in areas where Wi-Fi or range extenders fail. Utilizing existing electrical wiring, it delivers AV1000 speeds, effortlessly navigating thick walls, multi-story homes, basements, attics, and garages. Its gigabit Ethernet port provides stable, high-speed connections for desktops, smart TVs, and gaming consoles, and comes with included Ethernet cables for convenience. Setup is remarkably simple: plug, pair, and play, without new wiring or complex configuration, though adapters must be on the same electrical circuit and avoid surge protectors. Performance may vary depending on wiring quality, distance, and network conditions, but overall it reliably extends network reach. Beyond performance, TP-Link emphasizes security, adhering to CIS's Secure by Design pledge, ensuring advanced protection for connected devices. Ideal for gamers, remote workers, or anyone needing consistent, wired internet where Wi-Fi falters, this Powerline adapter combines simplicity, speed, and security, making it a practical and trustworthy network extension solution. Now our second product is HitRON Network Adapter. The HTM4 Mocha Adapter 2-pack is an ideal solution for turning existing coaxial TV outlets into high-speed wired Ethernet connections. Delivering up to 1 gigabit per second, it provides reliable performance for gaming, 4K streaming, and other high-bandwidth devices, leveraging your home's coax network without needing new wiring. Compatibility is broad, working alongside any cable internet setup, though users must ensure coax outlets connect to a central splitter. Isolated or satellite coax outlets are not supported. Setup is straightforward: one adapter near the router, one near the device, with included Ethernet and power cables. For optimal speeds, pairing identical Mocha versions is recommended, and a PoE filter may be required for high-split cable service. While it does not provide Wi-Fi or replace a modem, it transforms existing coax into secure, low-latency wired connections. Lightweight and compact, the 2-pack kit is a practical and cost-effective upgrade for homes needing stable Ethernet in areas where Wi-Fi struggles. Our third product is Netgear Network Adapter. The Powerline Wi-Fi 1000 is a versatile solution for extending high-speed wired and wireless internet throughout your home using existing electrical wiring. Delivering speeds of up to 1000 megabits per second, it ensures seamless 4K HD streaming, lag-free online gaming, and stable connectivity for smart TVs, streaming devices, and game consoles. With HomePlug AV2 support, it provides a reliable and efficient way to expand your network without running new cables, making it ideal for multi-room setups. Users can connect multiple adapters to create a consistent wired network across any space, overcoming common Wi-Fi dead zones. The device operates on a standard AC input of 100/240V, 0.1A, and is simple to set up with plug-and-play functionality. Whether for streaming movies, competitive gaming, or supporting multiple devices simultaneously, the Powerline Wi-Fi 1000 combines speed, reliability, and convenience, making it an essential networking solution for homes looking to maximize internet performance across every room. Now number 4, Liajoie Network Adapter. The Liajoie Gigabit Ethernet Splitter 1 and 2 is a compact and efficient solution for expanding your network without complex setups. Designed to split a single Ethernet port into 2 high-speed connections simultaneously, it supports data transfer speeds of up to 1000 megabits per second, ideal for connecting multiple devices such as PCs, routers, smart TVs, or gaming consoles. The splitter features 6 LED indicators, making it easy to monitor which device is active at any moment. Universal compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with Cat5 through Cat8 cables in various network environments, including ADSL, hubs, switches, and wireless devices. Built for durability, The device utilizes a PCB circuit board, aluminum alloy casing, RJ45 8-pole jacks, and gold-plated pins, guaranteeing stable and reliable data transmission. Setup is simple with the included USB power cable, requiring just a 5V/1A or 2A power source. The LIEZHUA Ethernet splitter is a practical, reliable, and versatile tool for optimizing network resources in homes or offices, and our last choice is POS System Network Adapter. The 30W/52V PO+ injector is a powerful and convenient solution for extending power over Ethernet (PO) to devices where traditional power sources are unavailable. It allows you to convert a non-PAE switch or device into a PAE-enabled connection, eliminating the need to replace existing network hardware. Fully IEEE 802.3 AF/A compliant, it delivers both power and data over a single Ethernet cable, supporting devices such as IP cameras, access points, and other networked equipment. Featuring gigabit connectivity with one input and one output port, it supports 10/100/1000 Mbps data speeds while safeguarding against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. With a long-range transmission of up to 100 meters, 328 feet, using Cat5e or Cat6 cables, it ensures stable and reliable power delivery to remote devices. The injector is fully plug-and-play, requiring no software installation or configuration, making it ideal for professional deployments or home networks needing flexible, high-performance POS solutions. Compact, durable, and efficient, it enhances network reach without complexity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.